In this video, let's discuss that how to check whether any number is divisible by the number 10 or not. So for that, suppose we take some numbers, few numbers like 100, then 200, then 205, then 1000 and 10,205, then suppose 10,000. So these are 5 numbers, and suppose it's asked that to check whether any number out of these numbers, which all numbers are divisible by 10. So one way is that, okay, you can go on by dividing and then you can tell whether that number is divisible by 10 or not. What would be the shortest way to tell? I mean, what would be the shortcut way to tell whether any number is divisible by 10 or not? Remember one condition or one rule, that if any number has 0 at its units place, 0 at its units place, then that number will be divisible by 10. So of these five numbers, the number 100, the number 200, the number 10,000, these are the three numbers which have 0 at their units place. The number 205 has 5 at its units place, and the number 10,205 has 5 at its units place. So these numbers will not be divisible by 10 because they have 5 at their units place, or say they don't have the number 0 or the digit 0 at their units place. So 100, 200 and 10,000, out of these 5 numbers, these are the 3 numbers which will be divisible by 10. And if you want to check for 205 and 10,205, you can do this. Like if you divide 205 by 10, then this would be 10 times 2, it's gone 20, and you have 5 left. Now of course 10 is not the proper divisor of 205 because this will now go in decimals. So 205 is not divisible by 10. Similarly for 10,205. And this particular condition, that if the number has 0 as a digit at its units place, then that number would be divisible by 10, is true for every number. I mean, it doesn't matter how many digits that particular number contains. Like if it's 1 0 0 0 8 7 6 5 3 2 0 1 and 0, even this number is divisible by 10. What's the condition? You should have 0 at the units place. If this condition is satisfied, then that number is divisible by 10.